guys, kumusta kayo? So ito ako guys, samahan niyo ako guys, tayo ay mag-unboxing sa ating mga pinaskuhan guys. Mga regalo oh. Diba, ang dami guys. Ito pa oh, mga pinaskuhan natin guys. Guys, ito yung nagbigay sa akin yung saan ako palagi mag-order ng soft drinks. Yung ako meron palagi natanggap. Ayun! Guys, ito na spaghetti! O, set ng spaghetti. So, ready na to cook, guys. Ready ba? Yahoo! Meron na tayong pang spaghetti! So, yun guys. At saka, ito yung ano guys, yung saan ako palagi na grocery. Ito, ang dami naman. Kailangan. So, unboxing na tayo guys. So, yahoo! Ang dami! Yahoo! Marami! Ayan guys, ang dami nito. It's a blessing. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Oh, may pa-dessert na tayo guys. Ayan. So, no more na guys. So, ito yung pinaskuhan natin guys. Thank you so much. At least may natanggap ako guys. Saan ako palagi nag-grocery.
Thank you so much. Andito si Miming guys. So, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Do you feel okay, Ming? Thank you. Very good yan si Miming guys. Behave yan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ming. Si Miming guys, oh. Thank you.
So guys, na-busy ako na naman guys. Yan yung forma ko guys. Naku. Mukhang pagod talaga guys. Kakatapos ko lang naglaba. So ayun, after dito guys, meron na naman akong ibang pagbisihan. So, busy life talaga si Inday Joanne nyo guys. Ayun din si Miming ko. Very relaxing lang. Ming, why you did not eat your lunch? Hindi niya hindi kumain si Miming. Siguro you feel busog. Okay. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day to all and everyone. Thank you for watching guys. Keep safe. And God bless us.